Area 51. For decades, it's been a place of whispers and shadows, a desert enigma shrouded in secrecy. We think we know about it from all the conspiracy theories, but what if the truth about Area 51 was much different than we expected? Maybe it's a lot more boring than we think, or maybe it's even far stranger than we ever imagined. Either way, wouldn't you love to get at least a glimpse of it from the inside? Stay tuned then, because most people aren't aware that back in 1960, at the height of the Cold War, the CIA decided to pull back the veil just a little. They actually made a short film right there on location, at the infamous and highly classified U.S. Air Force facility, which they referred to as the Watertown Strip, or just Watertown. This film, commissioned by the Pasadena-based Hycon Manufacturing Company, was actually intended for the families of those working at the base, to show them a glimpse of the mysterious world where their loved ones worked and couldn't talk about. The film remained unknown to the public for decades, until it was released by the CIA on their YouTube channel in 2012. Yes, the CIA has a YouTube channel. The video offered an extremely rare glimpse into the heart of Cold War operations at the facility. For those familiar with Area 51, this was absolutely shocking. Suddenly, here was proof that the base really was more than just rumors after all. But before most people even found out about this film, it quickly vanished with no explanation. In late 2020, the CIA made the video private on its YouTube channel, once again shrouding Area 51 in mystery. But what did this secret documentary reveal? It wasn't just a quick look at a bunch of high-tech gizmos. Most of it focused on the U-2 spy plane. But it also showed a little bit about the daily lives of those who worked there, while offering a glimpse into the technologies they were developing. So let's take a look. We see the iconic U-2 spy plane, its sleek lines cutting through the desert air, a silent sentinel of the Cold War. This was the program's main purpose, strategic reconnaissance at high altitudes, too sensitive to be undertaken anywhere else. The film also showed some of the people behind the machines, the scientists and engineers working tirelessly in a desert laboratory of innovation and secrecy. It highlighted the base as a center of research and development, not just a mysterious location on a map.
From the desert wastelands of Watertown, it's but a matter of hours to anywhere in the world where reconnaissance might be desired.
The documentary, at just over 20 minutes long, gives valuable historical information about the design, manufacture, and secret transporting of the U-2 spy planes built and tested at the site between 1954 and 1960. It also showed the working conditions, adding to the documentary's importance as an interesting piece of Cold War history. It illustrates how crucial Area 51 was in the fight for technological supremacy at that time. So why was the video removed? The CIA has claimed it was likely just part of a revamping of their website, etc. Some, however, suspect it could have something to do with the so-called Storm Area 51 event back in 2019. It was really kind of a joke that went viral online and caused some concern from the U.S. Air Force and other agencies. Despite the comical nature of the planned event, its popularity did lead to real concerns about security, with hundreds of people gathering near the base. But it raises the question of what is the CIA still trying to hide? The 1960 documentary of Area 51 is a rare window into a place where history and myth collide. Though the CIA tried to remove the film, it still remains on the internet, being an unclassified work of the US government, able to be found if you know where to look. Thanks to the Wayback Machine and C-SPAN, anyone can find it with some strategic internet searches, so you can prove it to yourself if you're interested in seeing the whole thing. The film gives a clearer picture of what Area 51 really was and is, and it proves that it never really was just a series of rumors and figments of our imagination. But for the most part, the mystery still remains, leaving us to wonder if all truth about Area 51 will ever be revealed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.